How healthy is your heart? And how do you go about assessing that? Well, just in behind me is an mCAFT block. The Modified Canadian Aerobic Fitness Test is a standardized approach for assessing the heart's ability to utilize oxygen during exercise. The outputs of the test gives us the ability to put you in a subcategory, whether you're good, bad, or need some improvement. How the test works is really quite simple. See, a music will start, you'll test your heart rate before and then during each standardized stage. And simply, you'll climb the stairs and descend. This test is great for assessing most. However, there's certain categories that will require a different test for assessing because of balance or different mobility needs. And as well, if you're a high performer, you can expect a different test. The Modified Aerobic Fitness Test is great for baseline testing, bringing you in for an assessment, or even a mid-follow-up. Nonetheless, this test gives us insight on just how far you've progressed or need to. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message or ask your healthcare professional.